Hey guys, ECRG here. Today we're going to talk about should you know your coworkers' salaries? Hey guys, ECRG here. Today we're going to be talking about should you know your coworkers' salaries? Now I know you guys are thinking, wow, ECRG, you've been talking about salary videos back to back. And if you haven't watched already, I recommend you watch the loyalty video I made. Should have been yesterday or within the past couple of days that was released. But man, should you know your coworkers' salaries? And obviously you're not entitled to that information, but you can probably make an accurate guess as to what your salaries make. But this question is really deemed towards should you ask or even inquire about your coworkers' salaries. And that is something that you're going to have to decide, because do you want to open that Pandora's box? Do you want them to know your salary first and foremost? What if you don't like what you hear? What if they make significantly more than you? Are you going to be pissed and resent that person? Is it going to flip? If they make significantly more, if you make significantly more than them, are they going to resent you, try and backstab you in the workplace? It gets crazy in the workplace when people find out certain information, and especially because salary is a very, very touchy subject. People get very uncomfortable when they start talking about money. So if you and your coworker are doing the exact same job and they turn out to make, many more thousands more than you, are you going to be pissed, or are they going to be pissed when they find out how much money you make? So you have to kind of weigh the pros and cons of both. Now, it's a lot easier to control what you think and what you do and how you portray yourself. So if you think they may make more than you, and you're not going to be mad if they confirm that, then there's probably a good thing you can go ahead and just ask them. And that will give you an indicator of where you should be in the future, maybe for your next jump or for your next position. They may be able to give you some negotiating tips, like how they were able to negotiate that salary, which could be beneficial to you. They could also give you, some advice on some other things that you may not have thought about, some other experiences in order to get a higher salary that you may not have thought about. So there are a lot of pros to asking someone about their salary, just because they may give you some more advice, some more benefit than just the actual number. But the other thing is, what if you make significantly more than that? Are they going to go behind your back and make sure that you look bad? Are they going to go behind your back and make sure that, you don't perform well, so that maybe you get fired or something? Once people get jealous, they can do very vindictive things in the workplace, and it's all surrounding money. Money makes the world go round, and it could be very, very touchy. So maybe if you're really good friends with that person and are very comfortable with asking them, then maybe you should ask. And it's not a big deal. But if you're not comfortable with that person, then maybe you shouldn't ask what their salary is. And maybe if you're leaving or something and you want to ask on your way out, it could be a good option. But so, I would just weigh the pros and cons if you're going to ask somebody, but I would lean towards the more no. And also there's a time and place to ask as well. Like if you're brand new to a department, you don't just want to go in asking everybody their salaries. I think people would find that very intrusive and probably pretty offensive. The first thing you come in asking is about how much money people make. So, there's a decorum with it, and you want to, just be as respectful as possible. If someone politely declines you, you don't want to keep asking them over and over again, because they're going to think you're annoying. But, if you politely ask and they tell you the number, and, maybe you share yours at the end, I'm sure they're going to want to know yours as well, since you're talking about it. But usually it's fine if people want to share their salary, but there can be some cons with it as well. So I'd be wary of that. So I'm curious what you guys think. Comment down below what you guys think about sharing salaries with your coworkers. Should you do it? Should you not? I'm also curious to hear if there are any horror stories where someone shared their salary and then someone tried to backstab them or undercut them in some way. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share this video. This is a very interesting topic, especially with income inequality rising in the States, and all types of, people in the same position can make vastly different amounts of money. So something to keep in mind. Maybe if you ask, it can even help you in the future. So don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe as always. Email us at eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com for any inquiries you may have. Take care, guys.